sign up for another subscription. It is Medusa Makeup. So I got my first Medusa Makeup bag. It's in a cute little canvas bag. And inside of here, I got a Medusa Makeup contour brush. I really do like getting brushes inside of subscriptions. I don't think you can have like enough brushes because you have to clean them and then wait for them to dry, and so every other day having like a brush set is actually pretty good. And then next in here is actually a lipstick. It's really pretty packaging. It's Medusa lipstick and in like a nice like hot pink color. I do like color, guys, otherwise why would you be seeing these purple lips here? So I'm excited to try that out. My only disappointment will be if this lipstick is not kissable, because if it comes off super easy, I will be really sad. The next item in here is Rage Against the Bean. Super cute. Ooh, that's a strong vanilla smell, but I really like it. It's a good smell. You can smell it as soon as it comes off, but I like it. And then there's also Medusa's Makeup Golden Boy Eye Dust. So this is really cute as well. Unfortunately, I have no idea how to open it up to be able to actually access the dust. Like, it seems like it's this plastic thing that's kind of holding it in, but like there's no little like tab for me to like pull it up. Do I need to get scissors out and start like jabbing at this to get access to the product? I have no idea. There's like I don't know how to open this, guys. So if I can access it, I'm going to be really excited about this product. If I can't access it and I have to start doing some sort of weird experimental drilling in order to get into the product, I'll be kind of sad. And I believe that was it. There's like 4 products in here, and it also came with an adorable like card. It says take 15% off your next order and hope you enjoy your makeup, all in handwriting there. I thought that's super cute. And it comes with a card that tells you all the stuff that came in your December bag. So I think that's really cool. It's all cruelty and cruelty free and like vegan products, and the lipstick is normally $12. The contour brush is normally $6. The lip balm's normally $9, and the eye dust is usually $10, and the canvas bag is usually $8. So according to this, it's around $43 for everything, and the bag itself, and like the subscription itself, was around, I think, $15. So I'm not disappointed with it, especially since it's all pay a little bit extra so that you're getting products that are vegan and cruelty free. I think that's pretty cool. So really adorable bag. Excited that I got this new subscription, and I can't wait to see what I get next month.